Hey, so here is WorldRemit money transfer app. To install it on iPhone, just tap Get and just need to confirm with your Touch ID or password. Like if you're using iOS or Android, again, just confirm that. And this is one of the top apps to send money. So you can send from more than 50 countries to more than 150 countries. So that's quite a big list because usually a lot of apps, it's easy to send money from like European countries, but if you want to send money outside of Europe and US, there are much less apps, and WorldRemit can help you with that. So let's just tap open and let's see what's needed to create an account. They want to send you notifications. Probably you just need to enable them. And then you just need to sign up here just using your email, password, and referral code, and then just register and something like that. So there you have it.